Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock with chicken breast. First, you'll need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions by giving them a rough chop. Place the chicken and vegetables into a large stock pot. Add 8 cups of cold water, ensuring everything is submerged. This simple start sets the foundation for a flavorful stock. For a truly delicious stock, the right ingredients are key. We're using 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, which yields a lighter, versatile stock. Don't forget your aromatics: 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion, all roughly chopped. To enhance the depth of flavor, add 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns and 2 bay leaves. These simple additions make a significant difference. Once your ingredients are in the pot, bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. As it heats, you might see some foam rise. Skim this off during the first 30 minutes for a clearer stock. After skimming, reduce the heat to low, cover partially, and let it simmer for at least 1.5 hours or up to 2 hours. This slow simmer extracts maximum flavor from your ingredients. After simmering, carefully strain your stock through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the solids. Allow the stock to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It can be refrigerated for up to 4 days or frozen for several months. This homemade stock is perfect for soups, sauces, and more. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.